I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Hey, hi, how are you? We're gonna do an empties video, and we're gonna make it quick because I have a feeling I'm gonna wake up my son from his nap. And also, I don't have that many to go through. So this is everything since my last empties video, which was like 3 months ago. So let's go ahead and just say this is my spring empties. All right, let's get in. I, again, was essentially harassed by my husband to get rid of these, and so that's why we're filming now. Otherwise I would have waited. I did an entire year's worth of empties last time. I promised him I would not do that again though. He just can't handle having stuff. Even though it was tucked into a cabinet, out of sight, out of mind, it was not out of his mind. First thing we went through, and this is not the only one. I honestly get rid of these rather than keeping them, but I was like, you know what? I ran out of this like 2 days ago. I'm gonna throw it in the empties. But just know I always go through Ghost ones. So this is the Ghost Whey Protein Chips Ahoy. This is my all-time favorite. I highly suggest it. It's good with water. It's great with milk. I drink it with water because I don't want to take milk to the gym, and I don't live close enough normally for me to, like I normally just drink it on my drive or while I'm at the gym. So highly, highly recommend. You do have to chew it though. Second best, I will say, and I always say it, is the Cinnabon. That's what I have right now, but I Chips Ahoy is better. Hair care. We went through a lot of L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Clay. This is my all-time favorite. I can never, ever, ever find it though. The stores around me do not sell it. Every blue moon, Myers will have it, but only one of them usually. I don't think I've ever found a set there, and so I get it online on Amazon. I do end up paying more for it though, $4-ish, but it's worth it because that is, if you've been here, it's been my favorite for like 10 years probably. This one I absolutely hated. This is Pantene Pro V. I don't think I've used Pantene since I was 8 years old. I want to say my stepmom, my ex-stepmom, used to use this, and she doesn't anymore. I mean, she might, I don't. So it's been a long time. It absolutely made my hair disgusting. It left the greasiest residue all over. Every time I wore this, could not have my hair down. Granted, I hate having my hair down, so that wasn't a big deal, but like I'd have to slick my hair back and put product in it just to like camouflage how like greasy and like built up this made it. And even grosser, and I didn't go through, I probably have like this much in both of them. I just had to stop. I'm like, this is not worth. I was struggling internally of like, I don't want to just throw this away because that's wasteful, but I had to. I went and got my hair highlighted, and my hair was just dripping, like leaking. It does, like that is not normal. And I've had my hair done before by this cosmetologist. It was not her. It was this stuff leaking out. And she was like, she came up to me, she was like, sometimes this does happen, like do you have well water or like minerals added into your water, because that's why like that happens. I was like, no, but I use Pantene. I've been using Pantene the last like month. She's like, yep, that is it. So 0 out of 10 recommend. And then I went through a Dove Deep Moisture. I like their sensitive skin the best, but when I was at the store, whenever I purchased this, they didn't have any, and I'm just like, I have to have a pump. I'm way too lazy to open up. I just want to pump it out. Unfortunately, Asher now knows how to pump, and so we're trying to deal with that wastefulness. I might have to switch back to a different type, but I love the pump ones. And Deep Moisture, great, because my skin, as you guys know, is just peeling off like a snake. So we need that moisture. I liked it. I really like my sensitive skin one though. But I probably don't need sensitive skin anymore now that my Accutane is controlling acne, which is why I use sensitive skin, because like any hair care or like body care, most of it breaks me out, except for my Elvive. Like if you have sensitive skin and like pimply skin, Elvive, that one, oh, so good. Eucerin Original Healing Lotion, liked this a lot. It was a little runnier than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be thicker, but I did really like it. It didn't help with like my rash hands. Like they just got they're doing actually really good right now, but you need deep moisture because at least I wash my hands like a ton, way more than I probably should. And that was not enough. I have to use O'Keeffe's working hands, and that takes care of it. But everywhere else, this was really good. I would get it again, and I love the pump. Hair care, Redken, triple 32 take. I don't remember the last time I went through a hairspray. I was probably in competition cheerleading or acrobatics the last time I went through a hairspray. That's nuts. I have a spray one now, like a pump spray one, because it's better for the environment. But this one, it will hold your hair if you need something really intense. Skincare, Clean and Clear, Morning Burst. I also have the Night Relaxing. This came in a duo pack. Somehow, I don't know how, it's like everything aligned together and I ran out of them the same day. That's just weird to me. That never happens. I liked them both. I really like Clean and Clear. It's been something that I've used since I was 12, and I will continue using it because it's affordable and it works. I'm sure some of you estheticians are just like, good God, no, don't use that, but I like it. I like it a lot. By Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Oh, it smells so good. It's citrusy. I ran out of it right before I started Accutane, so I wouldn't have been able to use it now. So I'm glad I finished it, and I love it. I would definitely buy this again in the future. 2 more months and my skin will be hopefully clear and not sensitive anymore. Okay, this is by Herbivore. This is Blue Tansy. I purchased 2 of them now. One of them I bought from Sephora, and the other one, this one, I bought from TJ Maxx on super clearance, yellow tag clearance for $3, and it has gone bad. Like, the color is off. I don't feel like I should put this on my face, and that's why it's in here, and that's why I did not go through it. I really like it if you have like acne prone skin. This was a good mask. It's resurfacing, so if you just have like uneven like skin too, try it out. You might like it. I don't like it. Didn't make my face, like, it didn't transform. I don't know what I'm trying to say there. Would I repurchase it again? I've obviously gotten it twice, maybe. I don't know if I would need it again. I think it would just depend. By Sasha Wan, this is a hair repair treatment. This was just a not leave-in. It was just a conditioner that I think I probably got 2 uses out of it. It smelled good. Randy said my hair smelled good whenever I used it. So if you want something that smells good, makes your hair soft. This was good. Oh, another Saturday Skin product. This is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Love this. It was like a gelish consistency. So I would say if you're more on the oily side, this is probably more so catered to you rather than like a deep, intensive moisturizer. But either way, I'd say even combo skin would be good with it. I liked it. It felt very like lightweight and refreshing. This is like more of a, like for me, a summertime. I get dry in the winter, but summertime I am just like, I mean, it's Accutane, but I'm like sweating on my upper lip, but like everywhere else is a nice healthy glow. By e.l.f. Skin, this is Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. It took my makeup off wonderfully. I would buy this again. I definitely would. I actually need to buy a makeup remover, and this is something that did not make my, okay, so I told you guys I love my Clean and Clear, my orange Clean and Clear makeup remover. I don't know if it's necessarily a makeup remover called, but it's the orange one with a purple, I think it has a purple lid or something. Anyways, that takes off everything, but also strips every bit of moisture out of your skin. So like, I don't think I should get that right now. I would buy it in the future when I'm not like, again, a crazy scaly mess, but this one I definitely think I'm gonna purchase now just to get off, like if I do put on any kind of like makeup product. Like, I have no idea what I'm gonna take this face off with. We had family photos today, which is why I'm in like I have mascara and everything on. So Oh, speaking of mascara, this is by Thrive. This is Liquid Lash Extensions. It is a tubular mascara and I hated it. I do not like tube mascara. I'm pretty positive it's a tube. I think it's Accutane, but I can't really see very well on me like right now. We'll see once Accutane ends if it's just like a me problem or an Accutane problem, because that is one of the side effects that can happen, is like blurry vision. I have definitely gotten that. Either way, this just sucked. So sorry. I love Thrive Cosmetics. I love like I think they have a lot of like stuff for sensitive skin. That just did not work on my eyelashes. I don't have enough eyelashes to make that work. They just made it look like I had about 10 eyelashes per eye, and maybe that's what I have, I'm not sure. Oh, by Benefit, this is the 24-hour brow setter. Loved this. Love Benefit's brow products. I'm using their wax fluff up brow right now. Love that too. This is amazing. I did repurchase this. I don't know where it went though. I think it's in my bathroom somewhere. It's just like Asher can reach into all my drawers now, and he moves stuff around and he takes stuff and puts it in different rooms. A lot of the things that I use on the daily, I do not know where they are. Okay, the very last thing, this is Give Them Lala Beauty, and it's another brow product. I liked it until I tried Benefits, and then I hated it. I don't know, it's just weird how that happened. So that was all of my empties. I hope you enjoyed it, got some ideas, things to stay away from. I really only hated like 2 things in here, so that's a win. That is a win. Anyway, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next week for another video. Bye.